Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by forcing Windows into recovery mode so you can act. This avoids guessing. First, disconnect USB drives and external monitors, then hold the power button for 10 seconds to ensure a full shutdown. Next, boot and interrupt startup 3 times to trigger WinRe. If available, press F8 or use Shift plus Restart from the sign-in screen. Once in recovery, choose Advanced Options so you can access Safe Mode and repair tools. This gives you control instead of staring at the white screen. Once done entering Safe Mode, you can isolate the problem, drivers or startup items. Start with Startup Repair to fix boot files automatically, and if that fails, run System Restore to roll back Windows to a working point. Make sure to open Device Manager and uninstall any recently updated graphics drivers, then reinstall the OEM or Microsoft driver version. If you need internet, choose Safe Mode with networking so you can download correct drivers. These steps remove faulty drivers and restore stable. You finish by reinstalling or resetting only if software repairs fail. First, try reinstalling the display driver from the manufacturer. If the white screen persists, use Microsoft's media creation tool to make a bootable USB and perform an in-place upgrade or clean install. Make sure to back up files before a reset. If the problem continues, test with the onboard GPU or another monitor to rule out hardware faults. This one tip saves hours by isolating driver versus hardware causes quickly and decisively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.